Hey, welcome back to the channel. Well, what I'm going to be showing you right now, just like a previous video that I made, how to clean your engine wiring harnesses, I'm going to be showing you how to clean any of that old, really filthy, cankered up aluminum, or any parts for your engine, and even pumps such as this right here, the power steering pump, which I'm going to clean up. Now what I used, this is a $4 tote, which I purchased from Walmart. This is an 18-gallon tote. I also went to Walmart and purchased this. This is a tire cleaning brush. This was also $4. This has a lot of bristles, which are real coarse, so it'll be easy to clean. What you want to do, you want to get the hottest water you can and fill that tub up half to a quarter of the way with that hot water, and then pick you up some of this Purple Power. This was about $9. I got this gallon of Purple Power. You want to pour all the Purple Power in your water and just mix up that water solution. Then take your piece of aluminum, which you see here, and you want to put this piece of aluminum down inside your solution. And if you've got room, I'm going to get my power steering pump and I'm going to let it soak down in that solution as well. Now we're just going to let that soak for about an hour into this hot water and this Purple Power solution, and then we come back, we're going to use our scrub brush and we're going to scrub all that dirt and grime off. Okay, it's been an hour. I've allowed it to sit. You can already tell it's really started to come off clean. You can just see the grease. It just washes away really. Coming right as clean as it could be. So now that you've let it soak, it's time to do your scrubbing. So using plenty of water, your scrub bristle brush, just really scrub all over your part and make sure you get in all those hard to reach places and get that thing cleaned up. See there? Of course, got some more scrubbing to do. But it's making this pump look real nice. The power steering pump turned out great, real clean. Now the intake sitting in here, it's still going to have some dirt on it, so you just want to take your tire brush and just scrub on it a little bit with it inside there in the water. Here it is pulling it out. You can see exactly how much of that nasty dirt and grime came off. How clean it actually is. So you can tell right there, that's just without any scrubbing hardly at all. So once you do a little bit of scrubbing on this part, it's going to come out real nice and clean for you. So that all you got to do is get some water and spray some water on there to get all that chemical off, and then you should be ready to go ahead and paint it or just put it on your car. I'm going to go ahead and get this right here scrubbed down and cleaned up a little bit more with the brush. I'm going to spray it off and then show you the after. Hey, there's the final product. I've already taken it outside. I've sprayed it off real good with the hose pipe, and that's the outcome you get right there. Now that that intake is clean and all dry, I just went and picked up some rustolium metallic, the color I want this intake to be. And now that it's clean, you can just simply shoot a little paint on there. Give that nice aluminum look again. I'm just holding my spray can about 12 inches away. As for all the sections here, I can just take a little SOS pad and go over that. Get all the paint off of it. Here's our intake after cleaning it up in our solution that we made. We've cleaned it, we've sprayed it with some metallic acrylic enamel, and it actually, I think, looks a lot better than it did from the factory with that just dull aluminum. But there it is. That's how you get that intake from looking really nasty and grimy and looking like scrap metal to a beautiful, clean show car finish. If you guys want to go ahead start cleaning your engine bay, purple power, some water, this right here works great for that. But till next time, guys, when we get back in here and work on this 55 project, I'll see you next time. Don't forget to hit that subscribe and like button. Thanks for watching.